Hi, welcome. So today I'm doing a short video to show you how to make a spell ball. This is one of the two types that we deliver, that we deliver magic within Hollow Dawn. And so this is what a spell ball is. This is what a spell packet is. We'll have another video describing this in a little bit, but we're going to show you how to make one of these. So they're pretty easy. They're really squishy. They sort of feel like a Nerf baseball a little bit. So what you do is you start out by cutting out squares of fabric. This is 1 foot by 1 foot, so 12 inches by 12 inches is the size I use. Get out of a natural looking material, either a muslin or a brown or a tan cloth. And then basically what I have here is I have a bunch of fabric scraps and I have a bunch of rubber bands. And the ratio that I sort of use between the two depends on the fabric. So if I have a fabric that's very light and doesn't have a lot of weight to it, then I go ahead and add rubber bands to that. If the fabric has a lot of weight, like this stuff right here, this bottom weight, this stuff is pretty heavy, so I probably don't need a lot of rubber bands. This red stuff is pretty light. So what you do is take a nice handful, sort of a baseball sized handful, and just put it right in your fabric square there. And take some scissors with your rubber bands. I always cut them up just in case this gets left out in the woods so it doesn't get caught around an animal's neck or anything like that. But don't use fabric scissors for this, use shitty paper scissors. Cut those up, sort of mix those in there. And then I sort of do it like a taco burrito, I don't know. But basically fold over once, bring this corner up, bring this corner up, gather it all together, sort of shove everything down in there. And then take a rubber band, go around the outside, pull these pretty tight here. If there's anything sticking out, just pull it out or stuff it back in there. And that is a spell ball. I'll make one more real quick since I have you here. Again, we'll take all this fabric here that we have, move it in here, take some rubber bands, add a little weight to it. Flies a little bit better. For me, the effective range of a spell ball doubles compared to an old spell packet from Nero. So if I'm throwing a spell ball, let's say 15 feet with the spell packet to hit something with the spell ball, I can hit it about the same amount of times at about 30 feet, which is really nice. Definitely takes a little bit of practice. It's a little bit of a different skill. Probably don't have enough fabric there, so let's take a little bit of, got some green here. Just cut this up. The smaller you cut it, sort of the more it sort of condenses down into a nice thuddy feeling rather than being sort of airy and a lot of gaps in there. So I like to cut it pretty small. Okay, fold it over this way. Bring this point up, bring that point up. Shove everything down there. And then add a rubber band. And that is how you make a Hollow Dawn spell ball. Thanks.